Суби Содиқ наҳори тайёр дорем. Аслан кофе италиянӣ. Ҳозир нишон метиҳам.
Coffee very good.
Yeah. The box is from coffee from Guatemala. It's very good, but I finished Guatemala. Guatemala coffee is very good. You know, it's South America, Guatemala. It's very good coffee, really. It's very expensive. I think this is €8. But yeah, it's double. I finished the coffee, I put it inside the lavazza. You do like this. If you want strong coffee, depends of the quantity. If you want very strong, you put it more.
Yeah, more.
One time
You can put it middle. Middle
If
is
you don't want
it's
the
low.
strong coffee.
But
yeah?
I like to be strong. Coffee lower, it's not tea. And I put with the hand like this. Now it's very strong. You put it here,
Yeah.
and now switch it.
Close.
what time you use one
Қаҳва ба боло омадааст. Пас аз нӯшидани.
Comes very strong. Strong.
Дар ин ҷо қаҳва.
But it's very strong. If you want more, I can make it for you. Do you want to make more coffee for you? I can make it.
It's enough, I think. Cold?